Hey everyone, welcome back. This time I'm taking a look at the Marvel Annual 21-22 set. I actually picked up 2 hobby boxes for I think $85 per box, which is a fair price in my opinion, at least compared to the other newer sets, which have become a little bit expensive. So the price increase on Marvel Annual isn't as high as on other sets. And I mean, this is marketed as their cheaper set, so let's see how they fare this time around. So there's how many packs? 16 packs in a box and 5 cards per pack. So let's see what the set looks like. Oh, these open very easily. Okay, so first off we have Gertrude Yorks, who has gained some weight, it seems. Namor. And the base cards are a bit bland, to be honest, but let's see. Then we have number 1 spot Kang the Conqueror, which is the chase card of the set. Nice looking card. Oh, and a nice, whoa, that's neat, holofoil card of Hulk. Awesome. So this seems to be a sticker. Very cool. And Molly Hayes. Bad artwork. So wow. Then we have Star-Lord. Venom, although I would argue Black Spider-Man. Number 1 spot Loki. These look neat. And a acetate card of the Thing. Nice. Wow, these are cool. Reminiscent of the older Marvel Universe acetate cards, suspended animations. Really cool. And it's numbered 187 out of 199. So already some nice hits. Probably. So let's see how the rest of the box fares, but this seems to be already pretty cool. Tina, Humble Beginnings Wolverine, Phyla-Vell, Rocket Raccoon, and Mantis. Black Winter, Penance, number 1 spot Planet Size X-Men, and another nice foil card of Franklin Richards, unnumbered, interesting, cool looking parallel. Glad to see that they seem to have abandoned the variant parallels, which were stupid as hell. Then we have Cersei, Annual Impact Toad, and a sort of canvas variant of Wolverine. Neat. Neat stuff. Black Widow, Luke Cage. Not sure why so many of the characters are not dressed in their costumes, so the art they picked for the base set is, well, questionable again. Here we have Null, a nice Annual Impact of Captain Marvel. And another of those variants of Captain America, really neat. Also very good characters to pull these parallels. Nova and Magic. Groot Whoa. Face toss. #1 spot, the United States of Captain America. And a foil parallel of Wolverine. Nice. Really nice. Iron Man. Base card. So, yeah, so far very nice. Base set is a bit underwhelming, but the chase and parallel cards are neat. Polaris. Star Rookies Aaron Fisher. Not sure why they put him into rookies. Don't think the character has any legs to stand on, but whatever. Another one of those variants, this time of Spider-Woman. Quasar and Kang the Conqueror. Immortal Hulk. Oh, nice Doctor Doom. #1 spot Shang-Chi. And another foil parallel of Captain America. Neat. Cool parallels. Sam Wilson. Very glad that they changed those. Dormammu. Star Rookies Harrower. Oh, nice. Variant of Doctor Strange. Kraven the Hunter and a red She-Hulk. Okay. This looks odd. Don't know if this is still Jennifer Walters. Haven't been reading too much Marvel over the last 2 years, I guess. Toad. Odd looking Hercules. Nice #1 She-Hulk. #1 spot. And another Spider-Woman parallel. So am I gonna get the foil parallel of Doctor Strange as well? That would be awesome. And a nice Spider-Man. At least they chose a good image for Spider-Man. And Scarlet Spider, also a good image. Nice. Humble Beginnings Doctor Doom. And a variant of Ghost Spider. White Fox. And Gilgamesh. So down to the final 4 packs. Then we have Multiple Man, X-23, #1 spot Moon Knight, and a Splash-ticular card. These are always a bit weird in my opinion. Eternals #6. And a nice Storm. Here we have Cable, giving his best salute. Annual Impact Doctor Strange. Nice variant of Onslaught. These variants look really neat. Surfacing looks cool. Captain Britain and the Human Torch. Arrow. Magneto. #1 spot, The Trial of Magneto. Phyla-Vell foil parallel. And Miss Marvel, Kamala Khan. Then for the final pack we have Daredevil, Humble Beginnings Captain America, a variant of Echo, canvas variant, Cyclops, oh, and a nice Ghost Rider as the final card. So here's what I got out of the box. I did get 48 base cards, 8 of the canvas style variant cards. I mean, they're not really like true canvas cards, but they have a matte finish and this grid in the background, which looks as if the artwork was done on a college block or something like that, and they have a matte finish. In my opinion, they look really nice. Then I did get 5 of the silver foil parallels, which are also really neat. I did get 8 number 1 spot chase cards, 3 annual impact chase cards, and 3 humble beginnings. Then I did get 2 star rookie cards, 1 Splash-ticular, and probably the 2 big hits from the box, or as far as I know, I haven't watched any breaks. I didn't want to spoil the set for me, were the Hulk sticker and the Thing acetate card. And yeah, overall, so far I'm quite happy with it. It's better than I expected, and yeah, I'll get to the second box now, and then we'll see. I'm probably gonna pick up more of those, or no, definitely I'm going to pick up more of those. We'll see if it's gonna be blaster boxes or hobby boxes. I would argue that a hobby box at 85 bucks is a good price, or an acceptable price at least. And yeah, would be neat to see some comparisons to the blaster boxes, but we'll get to that. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe till next time. Bye bye.